Good afternoon, traders. I greet you all. My name is Okoyeocha. Using you from the land of the rising sun. Today is my weekly. I want to bring you the weekly video analysis I do everywhere on currency pairs, currencies, cryptos, or the much I can cover. Please bear in mind that the video you're about to watch is my personal view about the situations in the market. I'm not an advice to buy or sell. The financial market involves a lot of risk. Get a proper education before risking your money. The green or any other colored boxes you see in this video are areas I expect the market to react. Whenever a trade setup where a particular instrument must buy or sell. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Feel free to share with others. I wish you the best and God bless you. So, why do I put this disclaimer? Many times, the areas you see green balls, market as people trade it and make profit. But if anyone fails, some will come to my DM and begin to complain. So I don't like it. I've been saying it one time without number. Nobody controls the market. Neither do I. We are all making forecasts. So the forecast can be wrong. It can be right. Meanwhile, I'll be saying it. Not the most that the market must turn at the reversal zone. It can react and begin to and continue going where it has been going. It can truncate and turn before getting there. So that's just a disclaimer. Remember to watch, subscribe to my channel. You see the link to join my Telegram channel is free. You only pay money if you want the link from me. Thank you and God bless you. DXY is where I normally start. If you see DXY, we are heading to 108 to 109.9. We can say 108 to 110. That's where we are heading. So now, are we going there straight? Market doesn't move like that. There must be up and down, up and down, up and down. So before it gets there. So that's where we are going. You need to go lower to 4 hours, 1 hour to join the buying. Okay, so this is for some time before it continues buying. So when it begins to sell, maybe we give us 50 to 48% retracement. So, but for now, let me go to 1 hour. For now, I think we're gonna get another move higher before we can sell. So meanwhile, setup can occur anywhere, but watching this, I think we're gonna get another move higher before we get the correction. So that's our forecast. Not a must it will happen like that. Okay, so let's go to the next pen. USD card. USD card I've been buying. Let me show you 4 hours. For USD card, I want to see it a little higher, then it will begin to drop. The drop will surely be a correction, not an impulse, because we have a clear impulse here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Then we expect an ABC. I don't know how it will happen or when, but I am still expecting it to go a little higher before it begin to drop. But that's for USD card. USD chef, same situation. On USD chef, you might get a bigger sell than USD card. Okay. So remember, I'll be saying that very soon I begin to combine ICT SMC with Elliott Wave. So gradually I'm making use of both of them. So now we have another block here. We have another block here. Maybe the market will drop to this other block, break this one, give us a new high before selling. or it will best of all go to this other block, sell a little, give us a new high before selling deeper. What I say, so this is an expected reversal zone. Meanwhile, the other block can truncate it. The market can come to this other block and begin to go down without getting to this zone. You can see it happened on DSY and USD. They didn't get to the reversal zone and begin to go down. So it can happen anytime. So watch out for a move here, a move here. Okay, so USD, USD and DSY always do similar things, but not perfect. Though they are opposite, but not perfect. So on DSY, the channel has not been broken, but seeing this Euro USD, the channel has properly broken. So because the channel has broken, I think we only and this seems to be a good count. You can see it looks like a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if that is the case, then we get to 1 A, B, C. Then the buy and continue. So I don't think we get a new low. But if the market decide to go the way of ICT concept, then we have a fair value gap here. So the fair value gap may trigger a sell, which might give us something very, very close to the new low, or even give us a new low. Doesn't matter. Then to be on the safe side, if you are afraid of what happened in the market, then allow it to close above this place before you look for buy. But for me, the break of this zone has confirmed that the market will buy. Okay, so I have to show you daily all the time. Pounds USD. Let me show you daily on this one. But no need. Just to remind you that for a long time, I've been saying that pounds USD will give us a drop, a bigger drop. So it's now happening. The question now is, have you joined it, or will you still join in future? Let me go over to 4 hours. So it's good to sell when the market give us a correction. That is, it is selling a split and ABC. So we have a favorable gap here. Can the market come to this place? Don't know now. What is important is for us to see the proper wave count. So this count seems to be correct. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this is wave 1, 2, 4, 5, it means that you may get A, B, C. Then the buying will continue. Whichever way we will see it when the market opens, we see it. So for now, I don't expect new low on pounds USD. That is new low before the correction. It's going deeper and deeper, but I mean, we expect this market to come to this zone or this zone before it will sell again. So I don't think we get a new low before coming up again. That's what I mean by new low. It's going deeper, deeper, deeper on daily time frame. USD. Let me show you daily. USD somehow moved deeper than I expected. I never expected it to go below this zone. Okay, but it broke it and keep going down. Now, whichever way you look at it, I am favoring buy on this pair. I wanna see it buy because if you zoom the chart, if you zoom in the chart, you can see that the markets have been going down for a long time. And right now, we have we have an impulse move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see A, B, C. So, which is wave 2? You can see wave 1 again. You can see WSY, wave 2. So, whatever is happening here, I see it as wave 1. Maybe it will make a kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leading diagonal, then correction and keep going up. So for now, I am watching lower time frame to know when to sell. Sorry, to know when to buy. I don't want to sell again. I have closed my sell trade. Remember, here is where we sold it. I think I closed it. I've forgotten either here or here. I closed it before this current drop. So, and I'm looking for buy. Okay, and the best thing is to allow it to break to this channel. Then I look for buy. And maybe if it goes lower, which is possible, if it goes lower, I may find buy it up here. If not, I look for it when this zone is broken. And you can see we also have a favorable gap for us. So the market can react to it, give us a new low before buying, before it begins to buy properly. So it's called for caution. Okay. Using the USD, the source of using USD is better than AUD USD. If you check daily on this one, you will find a nice 5 wave. So you can see we have a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever is happening here is wave 2. As long as it didn't go below this place, it is wave 2. So I'm also looking for a buy opportunity on using the USD. So you can see the channel I also drawn. Maybe we also have a favorable gap here. The market can react to it, give us a new low. Then I will look for buy in this new low if it happens. If it continues to go up here, break this favorable gap, break this channel, I look for buy around here because it is going to buy massively. JB225 because see daily. On daily, what I can see, I can only call, let me zoom the chart to show you something. The reason I expect it to go far deeper is because of the markets have been going up for a long time. And all this while, okay, let's just take a look at, let's say from here, since 22 years plus, it has been going up. So this cannot be all the corrections. It's possible, but I think the correction will give us a reasonable 3 waves. Something reasonable 3 waves. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting on JP225. So let's go to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, you can see we have a perfect 5 waves. You can see it. This is wave 1, wave 2. And wave 3 have internal 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 3. Then wave 4. And wave 5 is also have a perfect 5 waves. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So having this nice count, I think we are going down, down, down. The question is, when will you join the selling? I think this favorable gap will serve as a good area to sell. Or you can go over to 1 hour and look for a better price. Okay. You know JPY. The market is haven't gotten to the reversal zone. We have a reversal zone this place. So if you look at this, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as wave A. Then you can see wave B. So maybe we expect that wave C will behave like wave B. Sorry, like wave C we behave like wave A. So I'm expecting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is yet to complete. So now you can buy. If you go to lower time frame, you can find a reason to buy. That is, if you go to 1 hour or lower, you can see a reason to buy. For instance, I would like to buy if anything happens, the market drop to this channel. Let me show you. If it comes up again, then maybe give us A, B, C to this channel. I will buy from here because I know that we still have some reasonable up move. I will only stop buying if it happens like this. Then I'll stop buying because maybe a news may come out and then news may come out, the market will begin to the market will change drastically. So that's why I'm saying this. Let's see JPY. Do I show you daily? Okay, let me show you daily. The same thing I'm expecting on USD So I'm looking for the market to drop further, than what has happened. So to me, this is an yeah, it's supposed to be called expanding flat. So this drop is A, then A, B, C. So this wave C is where we are looking for selling to occur. So going back to 4 hours, let's check what we have on 4 hours. On 4 hours, we can see the wave A is clear, the wave B is also 3 waves, but an expanding flat. So now, wave C is where we have some riddle to solve. This is like an A, B, C. So the problem is that the wave C is being too long. Okay, so that's what we see. When market is making a correction, we can see different form of structures. So, but if you can take a look, this is wave 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 1, wave 2. Then wave 3 is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the wave 3 is yet to complete. Wait, okay, let me go down to 1 hour to show it so you see it properly. So I'm looking for it to give me another move up, wave 3, move down, wave 4. I can buy this. I can buy this. I can buy this. If I see a nice setup here, I will buy. But I will not buy from here. But I can buy from here because the target will be something reasonable. After that, I'll begin to sell. Past JPY, the past JPY is somehow different from other yen pairs. It has gotten to the reversal zone, but we have 2 reversal zones. This very reversal zone is daily. Okay, let me go to daily. This very reversal zone corresponds with ABC on daily. So the pound JPY may take a lead. If it begins to go down, others may continue going down with it. But this one let me show you why we have two reversal zones. This very reversal zone is to complete this A, B, C. The reason is that you cannot know what the market is doing. That's why we always try to take a proper look to know the possibilities we have. So the first possibility is that the market has gone to the reversal zone. It may it may continue going with this very channel, maybe to drop, come to this very channel and begin to sell, or it may come to this second channel and begin to sell, or it will be complete the second reversal zone before selling. In all this, what is important? No trade setup, no trade. You must have a trade setup you be trading with. You don't just. Meanwhile, if you are following this my green box, you might be making profit because most of the time the market will turn in it, but not enough because inside it is where I look for my trade setup. So that's what I teach all my students. They have mastered so many trade setups we trade inside the reversal zone. And when it truncates, how will we also trade it? Okay, so that's for pounds JPY. Okay, gold. I don't think we don't have much to explain on gold. Nothing to explain on gold because gold is buying and nothing more. Gold is buying, silver is buying, platinum is buying. So gold, enough time to sell gold. So though I expect it to give me a little correction, a deeper correction, something like this. This is what I'm looking for on gold to buy again. I closed my buy, I think here. I didn't buy all the way to this place. I think I closed it here before this happened. So I'm looking for this A, B, C. Why do I expect it to happen? We have a nice favorable gap this place. As I say all the time, not a must that it will trade. It can keep going up. It can keep going up, break this, do this, continue to buy. So it doesn't matter. Okay. If it didn't drop to this place, I will buy, but it will break this place. Then I will look for buy again. But if it drop to this place, I will happily buy because it will give me the chance to make more profit. So that is it. So that you don't say that I said it will happen. It may happen or may not. The market can change structure at any time. It doesn't care about what to think or how you see it. Silver. Silver is a silver may also do what gold is doing. But silver seems to be making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with A, B, C, expanding flat with so that is with A, then with B might be A, B, C to drop before buying. Okay, so I want to see silver come to this reversal zone before it will make a bigger correction. So counting the internal structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will get a move up again before we get correction. or else it will give us a move like this. It will give us a move like this, another move like this, before it will do this. So whenever the market is something is somehow, that is whenever gold and silver disagrees, make it of the disagreement. You can see on the 1 hour chart on silver and gold. Gold is almost at the top. Silver is still down. So in that case, I'll look for one with the clearest of structure. So in this case, the gold seems to have the clearest of structure. That is, if it drop, then it will become a better trade. Okay, so you choose one among the two if you trade them. Platinum, I think I'll show you there again to remind you my view on platinum. You can see my view is that platinum will be a big buy when this channel is broken. So having seen that, let's take a look at 4 hours again. On 4 hours, you will see what we have. We have a proper 5 waves. They're not very aggressive anywhere. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. So now we are looking for wave 5. After that, we get an ABC. Then the big buying starts. So let's go lower to 1 hour. And 1 hour, you can see this wave 4 is a quick one. It's a quick one. A, B, C, very quick. So now, and this is also a sharp move. So I want to see it drop to this favorable gap or this one before buying again. Or it may ignore them. But I think at least it will drop to one of it. Maybe to this one, to this the first one, then go up. Or it may drop to this first one, come up again, drop to the second one before it goes up. So it's a buying market. As long as it doesn't go below this place, it's good to go. Oil. Oil. Daily, to remind you again, my target on oil. My target remains the only thing that will happen is economic sudden change. Okay, so but if not, my target is 58.46 to 47.58 is my target on oil. Though I have closed my sell order. I closed my sell order, looking for another opportunity to sell again. Okay, that's bring me to 4 hours and 1 hour. So on 4 hours, we can see the market reacted at the favorable gap, and it bought. We have another favorable gap. It's sold from it again. But let me remove them to keep my chart clean. It's no longer used. Whenever other block a favorable gap is traded, you better remove it because it's no longer useful. So now, looking at, let me go to 1 hour so that I save time. So looking at this, this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is wave 1 of the next impulse because the selling is now impulsive. Then this is a typical ABC. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see A, B, C, expanding flat. So I expect this type of move to happen here before I sell oil. So I want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before I sell oil. I'll be glad if it happens. Then if it truncates below this place, I will look for sell. Sorry, yes, below this channel, I will look for sell setup and sell. Oil is one of my best trades so far. I hardly make a loss on oil. I hardly. So if you want to trade with me, keep watching oil. Whenever it comes to 73.6, 74.5, look for sell setup. Okay. Plus 100, Nasdaq. Nasdaq, for weeks now, I have I have not been trading indices because I want to see a big correction. A kind of, you can see A, B, C, W, then A, B, C, X, then Y. If I see this type of drop, I will be happy to buy. You can see when you get a nice correction, you have the confidence to trade. You can see here, this correction making me trade with confidence, and I bought it massively. I closed it around here before this happened and this happened. Since then, I why I didn't buy from here is that I was looking for something like this to happen. So it didn't happen, I leave it. So one of the ways to trade is when you look, you know what you're looking for. If you see it, you trade it. If you don't see it, you leave it. Okay, so that is it. Let's take 4 hours. So on 4 hours, we see the market is forming a channel, which will likely drop, buy again. That is, if it will not give us a big correction, I show you on daily. But if it will give us a sign, it will be a sharp move. If it happens, I know that we have this, then I will sell. But if it keeps going slowly, then maybe it will give us this, and continue going up. Then I will not trade it. Simple. All of them are doing the same thing. So SP 500, I wanted to drop to at least correct this very move in a 3 waves manner before I will be able to trade again. So to me, this is a minor pullback. I want to see it drop like this. Then I will buy from here. If it doesn't happen, I will leave it. There are so many instruments to trade. So don't force yourself on one because you might be making mistakes. Now, among the indices, you can see the one that have the clearest of structure. You can see we have a nice wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, expanding flat, wave 4, then wave 5. So the question is, this wave 5, is it completed or will it still drop? I don't know. But if it are completed, maybe we have other block here, favorable gap. So if it comes up to this favorable gap, I would like to sell. Stop loss will be here. Because why? Let me zoom the chart. Because why? In my opinion, I think it will give us something deeper. It will give us a kind of with A, B, C. Okay? Because now, selling it from this place, it doesn't mean it will be maybe that this is A, B, C. No. It means that it will be deeper. If you sell from here again, it will be something like this, something like this, something like this before buying. This is what I'm looking for before I buy. This is the kind of structure I'm looking for. So if I don't see it, I may just not trade it and look for other ones that give me a nice structure. Okay, that's have only 2 things we're looking at. One, it will continue going down, we will break this place, continue going down to give us an expanding flat. That is A, B, C. Then it will buy again. Or it will go up to this zone, drop a little, profit the move before giving us a bigger correction. Okay, let me also go to Bitcoin because the video is no longer already. So let me check Bitcoin cryptos. Bitcoin drop today again. Let me go to the again. The knowledge of showing you daily all the time. Remember my take on Bitcoin that we are going to 80,000 to 83,000. Bitcoin have touched 59,000. Okay, let's see for hours. Can we get this? Can we get this? Okay, can we get this? N, B, C, W, N, B, C. That is WX. Can we get the bigger correction? Can we get this? I don't know, but I wish we get it. Why do I wish? I have closed my Bitcoin buy, waiting for it to correct. So that I will buy again. And I don't like shallow correction. I don't like shallow correction. So that's why I want to see it go deeper. If it goes deeper, oh, I'll be glad if it goes deeper to this zone. I'll be glad because from here, I will buy again. Okay, so let's hope this happens. Meanwhile, this might be the whole correction. This is also an ABC, mind you, because it seems to be a single drop because it is 4 hours time. Okay, let's go to 1 hour. We're going to see that it is a nice correction already. You can see on 1 hour how it looks. You can see 1 hour time frame, how it looks. You can see it. So if somebody says this is ABC, it's correct. ABC, it's correct. So I think if we get WXY, I'll be glad. I'll be glad because it will make room for more gain. If I see this WXY, I'll be glad. I'll buy from here. Okay. So meanwhile, because of this candlestick pattern, it will not happen because this look like a rejection block. So you may not get it, but I wish we get it. So if you don't get it, what next? What next is when it goes above this place, I will buy. Or secondly, I may decide to take risk. What's the risk? The risk is that here will be my invalidation. That is stop loss. Here will be a stop loss then. Or maybe, okay, this is far. I don't like trading when the market, when the stop loss is far. I don't like trading because my philosophy is when you win big. Either you win big, you win small, break even, or you win little. Losing the big is not an option. So if I will trade here will be my stop loss, or a bit lower than this, will be my stop loss, so that it will be small. then the market will be, maybe I'll go to 15 minutes time frame and look for buy. Okay. But if you drop to this place, sure, stop loss will be here, but it will not hit. I doubt if it will still going, could keep going down, 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 no. Because this is level, this level is where I expect it to turn. Okay. And that's the end of the video. The video is long already, but I know that we learned something new today. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. You see links to my Telegram channel. There, I share many charts from time to time, from day to day. Really, where you can find your chart, the chart that can guide you to a nice place is a top, all freely. If you want to learn from me, I have a mentorship channel. If you join, we'll pay you through money. Thank you, and God bless you.